So we have a lot of data about customers, but how can you use that within your personalization journey? So as you learn more about your subscribers and you have, you might have data already, but you can take that email content and tailor that to those customers depending on the data that you've got. So in the example on the screen, this is from Kate Spade. They actually personalize the products in their emails based on customer spend volume. So they use that recency, frequency, monetary spend data that they've got to show products that are at that customer's preferred price point. So it's a really nice way to build in subtle personalization for the customer. So you see here, we've got the first example is the lowest spend all the way up to the higher spend customers. And by doing that, they've increased their click-through rates by 300%. So it's a really subtle way to personalize, but it's giving customers products visibility that they are comfortable with. So that's a really nice way to personalize content. And you can also apply sort of category-based personalization as well. So personalizing things like new arrivals or bestsellers with that category information, that spend information. We can start to go way beyond that specific or kind of standard gender segmentation that you see most retailers doing. And you can do that at scale. So with dynamic content, you can go from, say, one category or two categories, that you're building out manually, to having an email for every single category that sits within your website. So it's a really powerful opportunity. You can also use data to really add some wow factor into things like loyalty programs as well. So if you've got the data, you can really use it to drive personalization, but also make it really visually impactful and create that really good experience, personalized experience for all of your recipients. So, and then again, one of the things that is really good if you don't have the data is to use polls, live votes to collect that information for customers. So in this example, you can see on the screen, this is a live poll from the Co-op again, asking their customers to vote for their favorite new ice cream flavor. And that's just a really nice way to start to understand what customers are after, and you can then target them with additional content thereafter. So the live polls update in the inbox as customers vote. It increases click-through rates significantly. People love to have their say, they love to feel heard. So it's a nice addition to increase your click-through rates, but also to collect data as well. And when customers have included live polls, we had a customer that did that on Black Friday. Their click-through rate increased by around 84% on the version that had a poll versus a version that didn't. So really nice uplift in engagement, but also you can put them polls to work and use them to collect that data. So yeah, as I said, polls make subscribers feel connected to the brand, and they're great to open that communication channel. They're a really good element to have in your toolkit when it comes to dynamic content for the interactive element, but also to help you to collect that data. And like we said, if you don't have it and but you need it, ask customers and they will click and they will tell you what they're interested in. Good use cases, we see customers like voting on, hey, what new product should we launch? What articles are you interested to find out more about? What's your new favorite flavor? What offer would you like to see coming up? What category are you interested to shop? They're really good ways to use that information, and then you can target emails off the back of what people have clicked on. So you're kind of putting your email to do the work there and opening up personalization opportunities off the back of it. So yeah, it makes the customer feel heard and it helps you to develop that customer profile as well.